Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope everybody is very fine and healthy. And I'll just continue from the last videos. Since my last video, I did make a website in an English language. So especially I did speak in English language. So I'll just continue from that same project or same website, because I didn't completely done my I didn't completely make my website. So I'll just continue from from that project or from that website, because I want to I want to finish this. I want to just I want to complete this website to make a very good website. So I did make quite a lot of things, just like I did make a heading thing, heading section. Then I did make a never section. Then I did make a paragraph. Then I did not just many things, but some quite little things. But I'll just continue from here. So because I just want to make I just want to complete this website. So what I'm gonna do is so we were in styling, so we'll just continue from here. So what I'm gonna do is main thing, I'll just import the font. Why? Because I want to make my website text in a very modern way. So that's why I'll just go to the Google font site. So then I'll just explore it, and then I'll copy paste from here or import from here. So I know it's taking time, so I'll just click here. So you can import because there's a lot of things to do. There's so many things you can do in a different way, but it's up to you how you want to do. It's your choice how you want to do. But let's see, I'll just import the font. Then I'll just write the universal selector. So then universal selector just represent the whole whole body structure, whole body styling. So that's why I'll just write margin 0. So it you're gonna see the changes. Margin 0 and padding 0, share all this. It just I'll say it just fit this never position, or maybe the whole this structure position. So I'll just change the font family. So I'll just write the Poppins, because it's a very amazing font. So you can see our font, the text style has been changed. It's a very clear or crystal font family or font type. So that's why we look slightly more modernate website text. So after all, it just give the good looks, in a clarity looks. I don't want to say clarity, but it just make our website clean and very modern way, or in a good looking way. So okay, after that I'll write box sizing. It's just border box thing. It's just, I know it doesn't work in any way. It just adjusts the the area of this never, and the upper upper side of this this page. So after that I'll just the main thing I just want to do I just want to do this whole this thing. I'll just make the div section here. So I want to make the container. So I did say or not, I don't know, but the container is like a bucket. You just have to store. It's like something that we want to store something in here, inside the container. Container is like I did say, it's like bucket, or it's like you know the any you can say it's like a box, or anything you want to store. So you can store in that, like in box you will keep your so many things like books, or maybe some kind of your uh, I don't know, maybe I used to put my DVDs, so that's the, I know it's analogy, it's not cool, but I used to store all the CDs and DVDs of my my computer games, my PlayStation games, and all these all these movies CDs, so movies DVD. I'll just store in my one box. And sometimes I did take out from there, and I just play or just watch movies. So I think it's a minority. I think it's all down to everybody's experience, but okay. So after that, I'll just I did store all this heading and paragraph section inside the container, containers class, or div section. Then after that I'll write containers. So I'll just style the give the styling to the containers. So I'll just write background color. I'll just background image. There's so many thing to do. URL. And if you want to if you want to put an image, then if you want to store an image, then you can do like this. Then but I did not download the image, or I did not save the image inside this in this folder, demo website folder. Either you have to just save in here, either you have to save the picture inside, picture or photo inside this demo website folder, or you can bring it from here, from website. So I'll just bring it from website. So I'll write pictures. I don't know, I'll just search for the okay, video. Okay, this is cool, I think. Okay, this is also cool. There's so many pictures here. Okay, okay, I think this is cool. I'll just copy. I'll just copy the image addresses, and then I'll just paste it here, so that I just don't want to do in a long way. So it is like for me shortcut. So I'll just save them. Okay, this thing is slightly not cool. Container. Okay, the thing is, I'll just put the container thing is inside maybe container. Let's see. Okay, it's not working. Still it's not working. Body. Okay, so my apologies. So I'll just write body. So now I think it's perfect. Then I'll just it's not that bad, but let's see how it looks. I think it's cool. Demo website. Then I think I'll just adjust this never thing, their places, sorry, their I'll just make a change, some changes. So okay, then I'll write position, maybe absolute, fixed, relative. I think relative is good, maybe, or maybe I'll write I'll give the display, but I don't think it's block display. Grid, inline flex, inline grid, display matte, on display none. Okay, so there's many way to do, but I'll just position absolute, relative. I think relative is good. Then I'll just I'll just remove the background background color, because it looks good, and that's why I think if I just change the black, I think it's not cool. I think white is cool. Then if I want to keep the margin, then so it's up to you how you want to create the website. It's your credibility, how you want to put the thing, all this thing. I don't know, it's doesn't work, so it's okay then. Okay, so I'm just checking around, whether how it's working or what it's just specify. So okay, it's not working either, but let's see. Okay, so I'll just let's see whether it's good or not, but let's do something like this. I guess it's not bad. Okay, so I'll again go to the inspect. I want to explore more, so it's cool, I would say, not bad. Okay, it's not working. Let's see padding. So it's like there's you think that margin or padding are margin margin and padding, the working mechanism, you think that there's working mechanism is same, but it's not, because margin is just pushing from the outer side, but padding is pushing from the inner side, from the inside. So that's why if you want to put if you want to push from the inside, then you should definitely use padding. If you want to push from the outside, then you should definitely use margin. So it's slightly confused, but it's not that complex, but because for some people it might be confusing or might be complex, but it's not. So I'll just adjust the padding size. So I'll just fix the padding size. So I don't know, it's not good, I would say. So it's okay, so I will just keep it like this. So if you want to if I want to make a gap between never and this heading and this paragraph, then I can, but I don't think it's needed, but it's already good. I think I'll just I guess it's completely, I think it's completely irrelevant. I think it's not needed, I guess, but I think okay, just sorry, I'll just what the hell was that? I'll just make the revert, I'll just change this like this, then I think it's good. I think I don't need anything much in this, but maybe I think it's good, but I want to do something. I just want to pull up to the up. So I just want to pull to the up. So okay, I think it's good. Maybe I don't know. Let's I think it's margin. Maybe 12 will work out. 12 will be fine. I guess it's kind of okay. I just suffering from sneezing and wet nose. Feel I kind of feel very okay, let's see. okay, but no, I think this gap is good. I think it's not gonna work. Let's push to the left, sorry, right, you know. For the padding, I don't think anything needed, so I think it's good to make a default. I think it's okay. So I just want to make a gap between the I think it's good. I think I don't need anything rather than this, but okay, let's see. I think it's good. I think it's not bad. I don't want to make a complex I don't want to make a complicated, but let's see what can I now do. This like text text color. I don't know whether it's gonna work or not. Let's see. But I think it's better to stick with white than other color. If I write background color, then I think it's not needed. I think it's better to do this kind of thing. It's better to stay on this. It's better to stay with with no background. It's better to sit with no background, and I think it's cool. I don't think it doesn't look that bad, but I think it's we will work it out. Sorry, my apology. Let's copy paste, and then we'll changes for the others. To permanently save, you have to just you have to copy in the code. So I think it's up to I think it's in here. So after all, we have make a lot of things. Okay, it's completely irrelevant. Like I said, I feel very sick, running nose. I'm suffering from running nose, because of the cold weather, no, the change of the weather, but kind of, so I'll just remove the cap. I don't think that it needed. I think it's not needed. After that, I'll just write what, and then home, about. So I kind of want to make hover. I want to make the hover, but how? I kind of confused. Okay, I'll just again go to the inspect. Okay, inline flex. I don't know this either it's working or not. Block in flex, inline block. I think inline flex is I think that is a correct thing. So again, let's see. I don't think it will work out. It's completely irrelevant. I'll just leave it up to 0 pixel. It's just by default. Okay, it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, because of this thing. I thought I was confused a little bit. Okay, I think 3 pixel, whether 3 pixel is work or not. I think so. Okay, again I'll just come to the ULLI section, styling section. I think 8 pixel is too much of I think 6 pixel is good. I don't know, is work or not. Okay, it is working. I think it just make a gap between, okay, it's like I think I'll just increase the gap, so that it will look awesome. I'll just make a gap between these two thing too, but I don't think it's needed. Yeah, but it is needed. No, I'll just decrease it. No, kind of confused, man, whether which kind of gap I should make, or which kind of which type of website I should make. Okay, just make a gap between. I think it's very vast gap. I think it's a very humongous gap, I think, but it's look very clear because it's easy. It's gonna be easy if you want to explore all the nav link, or all this different section from home to about to service to contact. Then I think it's very large gap. I think it's a very big huge gap, so I'll just decrease it. Sorry. Okay, I think 25 it should work. I think 25 is good. I don't know, maybe people will like it or not, but I think for me it's good. Let's make a background color in here. I think whether it's gonna work or not, but it is gonna work. Yeah, I think it's good. Let's do like this. Then I'll just border. No. Okay, border. Nah. So border, I don't think border. So I have an idea that border 1 pixel solid. I would say black. Then I would say I have a better idea. There's many things to there's many way to do. I will not say this is the only way to do, but that's your choice. How do you want to do? It's up to you. It's your credibility and it's your creativity. So I'll just increase the pixel size. I think it's good. 6 pixel is good, I think. Then color black. Nah. Okay, color white. Then background color, maybe I will just place the black. I think it's gonna be a cool look, but the border radius thing is kind of nah. I'll just increase this 2 pixel, and then I think I don't know it's whether it's look good or not, but I don't think it's doesn't look good, but I think I should remove this thing. It's just unnecessary, it's just unnecessary. My apology, I'm sorry for this. I think it is a perfect thing that you don't have to write anything, or you don't have to modify unnecessary thing. I think it's cool. Okay, I'll just copy this thing, and I'll just remove the unnecessary thing too. Okay, let's remove this thing. And I think I did make a mistake in here. So padding, then I'll just remove all this commented code. So after this, I think it's cool. I think maybe I should not think about this never thing much, with rather than I just have to make other things. after all, I have to do a lot of things. I did make heading 1, then this is demo site, then okay. So I'll just customize this thing, paragraph thing. Okay, color, I think it should be, I'll write text align center, maybe, I don't know, or maybe I think that's a better way to do, center end, or maybe justify, or maybe left, or maybe right, or maybe start. There's many multiple options to choose. It's up to you how you want to present. So I don't know, maybe text align center should work or not. I think it's kind of okay. It's not good, but it's okay. I would say it is okay for to demonstrate these things, but I don't think maybe justify. I'll write justify. I think justify just it's okay. Sorry, what I've done. My laptop is being so pathetic, man. It's lag a lot, kind of problems. Okay, left, right, start, or maybe I would say I'll just I'll just stay with text align center. Then I'll just fix the margin thing, and margin 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 0 pixel. I don't think I'll just misplaced. I'll just change the places to customize right way, or maybe correct way, or maybe I will just see in a correct way. I guess the place between this thing, I'll just maintain the gap, maintain the gap between heading 1 and paragraph. So then so I'll just make something like this. I don't know it's good or not, I'm not sure, but I don't know whether it's look good or not, but let's see. Okay, I don't think I don't want to stick up with here. I don't want to stay here for for a long time, but rather than I just move on to the next thing. I don't want to stay in here. I don't want to stuck in here for a long time. So but I'll just give the padding, then I'll just keep the padding and maintain some of the things, adjust the thing, or maybe maintain the thing. Nah, I think it's not needed. Yeah, I guess it's okay. Just I'll just make up to these changes. I'll just make changes up to this thing. So okay, so what about the section? I did forget, man. It's in the paragraph P. So where is P? So I'll just paste it here, then I'll just maybe it's gonna work out or not, but let's see. I'm sorry for this. I'll just throw my all this sneeze, and I'll come back to you. So I'm again back with this my video. So so what I'm gonna do now is, I'll just make the changes in body, so that background, maybe position, I don't know, let's write maybe background center. I don't know what. I think it just it just adjusts in a center way, in a center. So I don't know. I think I'll just okay, where the hell did it go? I don't know. Okay, so body, in the body, we need in the body. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, bottom doesn't seem to. I don't know. This is right or not. Right, left. It just placed to the left, then it should be right, then it should be in center. This is in bottom. I think this is top. Inherit, initial, revert. I think revert is like I think revert is like default. I don't know. Yeah, I think revert is like the original place. Center, maybe left, top, right, top. I think it's not needed. I guess this okay. Then okay, what I'm gonna do is I'll just remove this thing, and background position I would write bottom, center, left, right. Okay. I kind of confused here. I would say background, not a background repeat, but repeat and repeat X round. Okay, it's not working. I'll say weight. I'll just keep the weight 100% or maybe 100 pw. Okay, it's not working, or it's gonna work or not. Nah, it's not working. So I'll just remove this thing, background position. Then I'll just background image, background repeat. Let's see whether it's gonna work or not. Round, I think it's not good. Repeat, I think it's not good. Maybe background size, content, cover. I would say this is good. I think this is kind of sorry, this is kind of look good. I think because it's the whole structure of image, so it just it contains the whole structure of images. So that's why I'll just stick up with this thing. I think it's good. I don't think I needed something better way than this. Okay, then I don't know now what is this thing, whether it's gonna adjust or not. Left, right, top, right, top, inherit, initial. I would say initial, revert. I think it's not needed, so that's why I'll not put this thing. Background repeat, all these things, background size, background color, background repeat. I think it's not gonna be needed, because it's already have been adjusted in a proper way. So that's why I don't think it's needed. So after all, what I'm gonna do is I think it's perfect. Maybe not a perfect, but I think it's the position is good. That's why I'm saying the perfect perfect word. Maybe position, I don't think it's work on this display. It's not gonna work. I know it's not gonna work. Maybe if I want to overflow this thing, then I can scroll. visible, maybe overflow. I don't think if I want to scroll, then if I want to scroll from this images to other, then I can set the overflow into scroll, but I don't think it's not needed. That's why if I want to increase the size of this website, or maybe I want to make the second pages or maybe third pages, then from scroll down and down you can explore another pages. So in that case we can set our overflow in scroll overflow to overflow to scroll. Okay, so if I want to make the G index, then maybe 1. Nah, it's not gonna work. So why I'm just itching in my legs. I don't know why it's okay. G index -1. Okay, it's not gonna work. That's cool. Then I'll stick up with this thing. I don't want to stuck on this thing. So that's why I'll just I don't know. Okay, I think this text thing is kind of weird. That's why I'll just make the color in a different. I'll just make a differentiate color. I think heading 1 is good. I think never color is good. But I'll just make the paragraph color into black, or maybe something visible with this background, something visible with this background. I don't know, maybe red will work or not. Nah, I don't know, bluish will work. What the hell is happening? What the hell? I don't know. Let's okay, it's not working. Okay, let's I think white. I want this paragraph text to be visible within this background. I think the black will do. I don't know. Okay, I'll just stick with black color. Then after that I'll just do something. Okay. Background size, I don't know, maybe overflow. No, I'll not write overflow. I'll write align items, align content. Maybe it's gonna work or not, I don't know, but I don't think it's needed. It's like read. If I make I don't know whether it's gonna work or not, but let's see. I'll just right click the right mouse click right mouse button, then not a button but clicker. Yeah, we can call button. Okay, the body thing I want to explore more. I don't know why this width is not working. Okay, it's not working. I don't know why, but I think it's not because it's not needed. That is the reason why. After all, I think I'll just I don't know, just define content center. I think it's also not validate. uh, Overflow is not working. I think what I'm gonna do, that attachment click visibility, you know okay, sorry, this is a back face visibility, not a background visibility. So I'll just stick up with this thing. What I'm gonna do is I'll just make the maybe make something here. I think I'll just make here something which is just relevant for this thing. I want to link up with this thing. Okay, it's not working. li no, why it's not working? Okay, anchor tag is not working or not? Real li okay, why it's not working? I don't know why it's not working, but I think maybe from here. Okay, this is the thing. Sorry, what the hell is this, man? Okay, I did make a mistake. I have to check whether it's multi-line I'll just use multi-line cursor, so that it would be very convenient for me. So I'll just write now has for now I'll just write has, and I'll write yeah, let's say I would say if I do it like this, then it's gonna be a problem. So instead of, I'll just what sorry for this, I'm gonna confuse you. I'll just remove here, then I'll just place here. I don't know whether it's gonna work or not, but let's see. It is just I'm making the link between the anchor tag is like making the link between the section home to about to service, or maybe service to home. It's like kind of, you can make the path, or maybe you get the point. So I feel why, I don't know, but I feel slightly little bit sleepy, maybe because I didn't sleep much at night. That is the reason why. Okay, let's save this thing. Okay, li, okay, this thing is okay, li, yeah. Okay, so if I put this thing in here, what I'm going to, I don't think it's I think it's better to place in here. Maybe I think if I ULI yeah, nav ULI, maybe if I write this kind of thing, then yeah, it's remove the these things, but the color is not color, it's not yeah, okay. So this is you can make so why I did give the anchor tag, because we can link from here to here, from you can explore from home section to about, you can go to the from about to service, you can link up this thing, this all section. After making this all section, I'm gonna show all these things. Yeah, this is the way you can do, but yeah, there's a different way to do, so many things in a different way. There is you can make a website in a different way, in your own way, by your creativity or from your creativity. It just depends on yourself, how you want to create. There are so many things, just you have to just put the thing. Okay, never I'll just make the maybe logo, I don't know. Logo thing, or I don't know, let's see. I'll just put the logo. Yeah, okay. Ferrari logo. Let's copy this image and let's put this image. I don't know whether it's gonna work or not, but at least we can try. This is gonna be a very pain. Yeah. So I'll just write with 0 pixel, or maybe if I write this, then it's gonna disappear. I know that. If I write 13 pixel, then it's gonna be very small. I don't know, did I do something wrong, or maybe I have to put yeah, I don't know. 23. I think I did make a mistake or what. So I'll just starting from not from here but from the outside. Yeah, I think it's kind of confused. I also confused here. Nah, not that confused, but all these customers from here. I'll just position maybe fixed absolute, or maybe relative, or maybe I don't know, or maybe I'll just write display block, maybe flex, maybe flow, maybe inline block, inline flex. I'll just stick with position absolute. Let's increase the height, maybe, I don't know. There's many way to do it. Like I said, I'll just do it on my way, because I do under my terms, I do under my terms and under my choice, because I do in a way which is easy for me, and I think that maybe sounds something irrelevant to you, but if you want to make a website, or if you want to do anything else, you should do in your own way, or in your own one style, or maybe in your one method. So you don't have to copy from others, or maybe you don't have to do with copying other style, or maybe other way. uh, what other people the thing is, what other people do in their way is not important. The thing is, you do in your own way, that is important. So I think that's my motto. So it's, I don't know, maybe people will get it or not, but it's kind of motivation for me. So I just stick with that quote. So okay, let's okay, I'll write in a margin right. Okay, it's not working, man. I don't know why it's not working. Nah, margin left, other way, margin left. Okay, so I'll just decrease this thing, yeah, you can do in a many ways. So I'll just do what is easy for me and what I'm capable of. Okay, after that, the image orientation, image fill, there's so many option to how you want to create it. So I didn't use much this method, sorry, this all these features. I'll write over, no, not over, G index maybe. No, it's not working, man. Why? I thought it will work. Okay, so if it's not working, then why do we put this thing? Let's copy this thing and we'll come back to this. My laptop is very slow. It's kind of very frustrating for me. Okay, it's not good. Maybe 7% will do. I don't know, maybe 7% will do, or I just have to increase the maybe to the 8 will do. I think 8 will be good for the logo position. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, so okay, dot logo, then so you have to just you have to mention the logo, the logo class. Otherwise if you make the multiple images, then it will gonna change, apply changes with other images too, and it's gonna be very a problem for you, problematic for you. That's why you have to do this thing. Okay, I don't know why it's kind of confused for me, because I have done this thing already more than 1,000 times, but sometimes it feels very complex for me. I don't know why. So I'll just I did put a logo, but you can customize in a different way, or styling in a different way, so it's up to you. I did say I think it's good. I don't know. I think it's look okay, or maybe good, but kind of this text is not visible properly, because of this. I just want to make a proper visible to this within this background, not other background, but within this background. It has to be match the color from the background images color, and then this text color. So it's kind of confusing, or maybe it's kind of maybe complex for you, but I don't think it's that complex. But it's about I did always say the HTML and CSS is very easy language. It's not a program. It's basically it's just a markup language. It's not even a programming language. It's just a markup language, and it just it's like you are just painting, or maybe drawing or something, you creating which is related to creativity, or maybe something. So it's all about creativity. I think the programming is much like complex, and I think it's much like solving a problem or mathematics problem. So I think HTML and CSS is very easy compared to the programming language like Python, JavaScript, or maybe any other backend programming language, because HTML and CSS is just a markup language. It's not programming language. So with that said, I think let me see the time. I think 27 minutes. I guess I want to do something more. I'll just want to add more section, or maybe I just want to add more page. While I scroll down, then there should be a next page. You know what I mean. I know you will understand what I'm talking about. So maybe I'll just make another container, or maybe I don't know, maybe okay. So I did not I don't think I did not do anything for container. I think it's sucks. I think I should style for the container too. It is also very important. It is also very significant mark if you just make the container. Okay, so I don't know, let's see. We're gonna give the with 0 VW, then kind of I would stick up to VW. Maybe I'll just want to increase. Nah, it's not good. I would say I'll just write 100 to maybe 100%. I don't know, but I don't think it's needed for this. I'll increase the height in 0 VH. No, yeah, if I want to increase the height, then I can, but I think it's not needed for me. So rather than, I'll just do okay. So whether it's gonna work or not, I just want to see whether this work or not. But I just want to see I'm just checking around whether it's gonna work or not. No, it's not gonna work, but it's gonna affect to this thing. It's gonna affect to the never section and this logo section. I don't know. I know it doesn't make sense, because I just put the background of the nature, and I did put a logo of Ferrari. Then I did make one hell of a insensible site website. But trust me, this is only for the practice. If you practice from the ground level, or maybe if you practice from the uh, you know scratch, then it will the base will be very strong, and you will just be very good in the when you just level up, then you will be very you will very able you will able to uh, you will able to learn in a very easy learn in you can learn in an easy way, or you will able to learn you will able to learn in an easy way. So you will understand all the concept, and if your base is strong, then you definitely gonna rock on the in the top level. So that is the motivation. I don't know, maybe it's confusing for you, but trust me guys, if you just do very excellence in your initial work, or maybe ground level, or maybe from the scratch, or maybe if like Elon Musk said, if your base is strong, then you can definitely do a great in the in the top level, or maybe you can understand all the all this concept up to from up to so that is why I'm just giving the leaving the mark, and just giving the all this motivational line, or maybe I don't know whether it's gonna motivate you or not, but at least I'm just giving the suggestion. I'm just quoting quote unquote, I'll just give the quote unquote because maybe it will gonna make a changes in your life or not, but at least I'm trying to change so many people's life. But I'm just trying, but if people take as an as a positive way, then they will definitely change. They will definitely they can definitely change their life, if they doesn't take as serious, or maybe in a negative if they doesn't take as a serious, or maybe in a positive way, then they will definitely fall down. So that's the thing. So okay, so I'll just stick up with this thing. I'll just no okay, I'll not create any container thing, rather than I'll just make the okay I don't know whether it's work or not, but let's try. I don't know, it's not working. Okay, yeah, definitely it's not work. Maybe I have to create the I don't know, let's see. Maybe I have to create another container, or maybe I'll just name the hero, because a lot of professional or expertise use this name, class name. So that's why I'll just write h1 alright, just our features. I don't know it's sense it does make sense or not, but I'll just write this thing. So Lauren 99. So let's see. Okay, I think I didn't expect this thing, yeah, I didn't expect these things. Let's see this I don't know, maybe it's because it's store I would say I have an idea, man. Body, a container. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I think I just have to give the all this margin thing. I don't know. There's so many way to do. Still, I am saying this to grasp on your mind. Let's just remove this and let's put something. Let's write this thing. It's relative. I guess the relative is good. Yeah, relative, or maybe yeah, absolute. Nah, it's relative. But this I just want to make this margin work. So I think it's not working. So maybe if I put into the negative, then it is gonna work. If I put a margin to the negative, then it's gonna work, but I don't want to, yeah, I have an idea. Maybe because no, yeah, kind of confused here, so I'll just look for the padding, whether it's gonna work or not. Okay, it is working because it just pushed from the inside, that's why. But I have a problem in here, so I did have an issue in here. So the logo picture is just attached to the top of this boundary. So we're gonna come back to there. Now I'll just stick up this 0 pixel. Let's see. Oh yeah. I do want to make some changes here. So I have an idea. So I don't know whether it look cool or not, but demo, I think our features, you can do I think you can do other way, you can do these things in an other way, like you can make a section, you can make a just like this. I'm just making the container. You can make a in a section, you can make a you can do in a section wise, it's going to be very easy way to do, but I don't think it's it's good or not, but because it is working, but that's why I'm doing in this kind of thing. Rest of the thing is not important, okay. Okay, I did I did have to copy this thing, and otherwise I'm gonna be in trouble. Otherwise I have to do again. Yeah, relative, or maybe mm, or maybe I can do maybe I can do in a better way. There is so many better way, but I didn't I can figure out now. But I told you there's so many way to do. Let's do justify content, or maybe it's gonna work or not, whether it's gonna work or not, or maybe align items, align contents, whether it's gonna work or not. Align items, it's not gonna work. That's why I don't think it's gonna be overflow hidden. Oh, no, yeah, okay, I don't think it's needed. It depends on the situation, if you want to put overflow, it depends on the situation, you know I don't think it's not needed for now. Or rather than I'll just use the G index. I want to use 5, or maybe -9, -8, or -7, -6, -5. Okay, it's not working. I don't know why it's not working, but let's see. -1, -2, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. What the hell is this, man? It's not working. Why? I don't know, but I'll just copy this thing and just paste it into our Visual Studio Code, so that it will be permanently work, or maybe permanently apply. Then it will gonna permanently. You just have to put your all this thing in your Visual Studio Code, because in Visual Studio Code, if you save in there, then it's gonna work in a permanent way. So I don't know it look good or not, but at least I'm making in a better I trying to do in a better way. I don't know, maybe I have to just put this thing into relative, or I don't know, fixed, maybe absolute, or maybe margin left. Maybe I have to just margin, I have to look for the margin top too. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Is it, I don't know, 16 will do or not. Okay. I feel very because of my sickness, I feel very difficult to speak up. Speak. Okay, I think the 14 will do it for this. Okay, magenta of 14 pixel will do it. I just don't want to stuck for a long time in here. I just don't want to stuck in one thing for a long time. I don't know what did I write. I just forgot the thing. 14 pixel, yeah, 14 pixel, magenta 14 pixel. I don't want to I don't want to stay for a long time in one, or stuck in for a long time in one thing, one problem, or maybe whatever. okay, the features, our features. So there's so many things to I have to cover up, but I think I just want to wrap up from here. So I don't know whether it's look good or not, but at least I'm trying my best to do, to make a better website, or to do in a better way, to make a website in a better way, whatever the thing is. So with that said, I'll just wrap up this video. But before that, I just want to give the information about my YouTube channel. Just subscribe my uh, subscribe my YouTube channel, then hit the bell icon if you want to, then access my all the playlists, so you can learn the multiple programming languages like React, Python, then HTML, CSS, or maybe I'll just now in current time I am just uploading the JavaScript tutorial, so you can learn JavaScript too, but in the Nepali language, because that is my original country's language, or maybe I will call as a native language. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video.